Hello crafters, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for some cool budget-friendly wall decoration ideas to decorate your home? Then this video is for you. In this video, I would like to share with you my ideas on how I recreated this expensive wall decor piece with cheap, budget-friendly and easily affordable items. If you like my work, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. For this project, we need some cotton candy sticks, black and white acrylic paints, and some old newspapers. We also need hot glue, scissors, and a sharp knife. The first step is to make the frame. For the frame, I have glued two 25 cm and two 60 cm cotton candy sticks into a rectangular frame as shown here. For stability, I have covered the frame with paper. If you are watching this video for the first time, please do check out my channel for other interesting wall decoration ideas. You can find the links as well in the description below. This is how it looks once it is done. Now color the frame in black. I made two such frames for this project. The next step is to prepare the circles. For this, cut out one 8 cm, two 12 cm, two 15 cm and one 18 cm cardboard pieces into circles as shown here. Cover all the pieces with some old newspaper as shown here. Color them in black. This is how it looks once it is done. The next steps are simply preparing the designs. Take the smallest of all the circles, that is the 8 cm circle. Cover the upper surface in white color and leave it to dry. I have used a very simple design for this circle, just applying black dots in circular form all over the white surface. The next one is simple as well. Take the 12 cm circle and draw V shapes as shown here. The next one is simple as well. Just a small triangle and V shapes surrounding it. I tried to keep all the designs pretty simple. I tried to draw here every design in a very easy form. That's it. Repeat the same on all four sides and your design is ready. This is the design on the 15 cm circle. It is pretty simple as well. We can get a lot of black and white designs over the internet which we can easily draw looking at them. I try to draw all my designs on a piece of paper so that it is easy for me to replicate them on the actual piece. I try to draw here every design in a very easy format, and I hope you are able to follow these designs easily. Do let me know in the comments below what did you think. This is how it looks once it is done. This is the design I drew on the other 15 cm circle. This is the last design for the first frame. it is on the 18 centimeter circle. I hope all these designs are pretty easy for you to follow. Make sure to let me know which design did you like the most in the comments below. Here is the final result. This is how the circles look like once they are all dry and done. That's it. It is now time to glue all the pieces together for the first frame. That's it. This is how the first frame looks once it is done. Hope you liked it. Now let's move on to the second one. Similar to the first frame, I have taken the same size and the same number of circles also for the second frame. Here I am sharing with you different set of designs which I have used for my second frame. You can mix and match them as needed. Hope you will like the second set of designs as well. Please make sure to watch this video until the end and do let me know in the comments below which designs did you like. This is a design which I drew on the 12 centimeter circle. So my dear friends, I hope you have been watching this video until now. I hope you like my work. If so, please do hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. This was the simplest of all the designs, and it turned out to be pretty cool. Here is the design on the 8 centimeter circle for the second frame. This design is on the 15 centimeter circle. And here is the last design for the second frame. It is on the 18 centimeter circle. Here is the final result. This is how the circles look like once they are all dry and done. That's it. It is now time to glue all the pieces together. It's now time to hang it on the wall. Using a double-sided tape, I have glued the hanging onto the wall. This is how it looks once it is done. So dear friends, hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments below which one did you like. Please like and share this video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.